English shadowing practice. Lesson 3. Introducing yourself. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English shadowing practice with Miss Layla. I'm so happy you're here. Today we're going to practice how to introduce yourself in English. These are simple and natural sentences that you can use when meeting someone for the first time. Remember, listen carefully. Repeat after me. Copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry about being perfect. Just relax, speak clearly, and enjoy the practice. Let's begin. Practice hello. My name is Emma. One more time. Hello. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you. One more time. Nice to meet you. I'm from Canada. One more time. I'm from Canada. I live in a small city. One more time. I live in a small city. I'm an English teacher. One more time. I'm an English teacher. I enjoy learning new languages. One more time. I enjoy learning new languages. I love reading books. One more time. I love reading books. I like listening to music. One more time. I like listening to music. I practice English every day. One more time. I practice English every day. It's nice to meet you. One more time. It's nice to meet you. I hope we can be friends. One more time. I hope we can be friends. Have a wonderful day. One more time. Have a wonderful day. Excellent work. You did an amazing job today. Every time you practice, you become a little more confident. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking English every day. Thank you for practicing with me. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Miss Layla for more English shadowing practice lessons.